Hello, this is Liberty Bell Reacts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make poison mushroom extract. And just remember, it's not real poison. Unless you want it to be, in which case, don't tell me anything about it.
The first thing we're going to need is a label that I got from Amazon. I'll be linking that in the description. I got this cute little vial from Hobby Lobby and this bag of moss that I picked up from Joann Fabrics. Make sure you use the coupon so you can get this on sale, because I think normal price is around $7. And I have a wooden chopstick on standby in case I need to use this to tap some moss down into the bottom of the test tube. I picked up this bag of moss because this type of moss here reminds me of kind of the mushrooms that you might see on a tree. I think this will look best if it's paired with some of this green moss so that there's a bit of a color contrast. Now all I have to do is just put it in the vial. I'm going to start with the green. Put that in the bottom first. My goodness, this is one big sheet. Just trying to fold this in on itself and squeeze it down in here. Gonna add some green. I'm gonna push this down in here.
I call it poison mushroom extract, but you can call it guest deterrent if you'd like.
This is such a quick and easy tutorial.
When life gives you poison mushrooms, make a spooky apothecary bottle. Just don't make a salad.
Oh, there's a little bit more, so let me pull some of this out so I can set this in and then add this back on top. Wow, I think this looks great. Now really the only thing left for me to do is to add my label. And now it's time for the reveal.
You know it's authentic when even the mushrooms in the garden start to look a little nervous. If you like this video, let me know about it in the comments section below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. This has been Liberty Bell Reacts, and thanks for watching.